All right, another drink we wanted to make for you here that you have all the ingredients at home, just fumbling through the fridge. I know you got a jar of olives, so let me borrow a little bit of that olive brine. I know you got a lemon, so a little bit of that juice, and then I know we all got some vodka. So let's get this guy going. It is a martini. It is a Oliver Twist martini, which has origins back to the early 1900s. It's going to be lemon, dirty, and vodka. Shaken as much as you can stand. We're going to go for 3 ounces of vodka here. We're going to follow that up with 0.5 on your dirt, and that is your olive brine. And then we're going to do about 0.25 on your lemon, which is probably a quarter of a lemon squozen. From there, we're going to add our ice, shake, elbows up. All right. So of course, when we shake, we're looking to dilute the cocktail, incorporate the ingredients, and then chill it. So roughly 15 to 20 seconds on this particular cocktail, I think is plenty. So chilled martini shell, of course. We are going to strain this guy on there. Look at that. If that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. In the comforts of your home, oh, that's even better. Put a twist on there. Just kind of highlight those citrus notes. Twist on the rim. It'll be just like I made it, which will be in your living room. Enjoy.